Okay, so this is v75 analysis from me, and I just wanted to see how I would do it and what my views are on it. So if you look at this market, you see that this market has been giving us a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and then it went down. But I'll be looking strictly at this move. Go back to the weekly, and then if I zoom out properly, I have the movement has been consistent. This is a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, and then it is coming back to the test. So if I mark out my zones, this one gone, this one, you can see you can do it from the tip, you can actually do it from the close of the candle. So let me just mark out this alone, this zone. If you look at it very well, you see that price has given us a first touch and a second touch, but it actually, while it was coming up, while price reversed here and was coming up to give that retest, it has even broken our trend line, but it's coming back to retest our flip zone. Let me go to the daily. So our analysis is that this market would likely go up. Go up. Why do I say so? Because of this move that has been happening on the weekly. So it's expected that the market will actually come back to retest this 146,706.62. So I expect the market to go up. Going back to the daily, we'll be considering this candle. So I'll look at the 4 hours. So if you look at the 4 hours, you see the market here. We have higher low. This is a higher high. This is a higher low, and a higher high is formed. So what the market is trying to do is to come back to retest. So generally, what me I would do is I'll just draw my trend line on the two higher lows that has been formed. So on the two higher low, waiting for price to come back to give me a third touch. While I'll be drawing my flip zone too. I'll be drawing my flip zone here. So what the market is actually telling you is that from the way it is now, we are expecting a third touch around this area. So market is actually selling. Market is selling for now. If I go back to my 1 hour time frame, everything is spelled out. Everything has been spelled out. This move itself, this is not sufficient to give us what we want. So going to 30 minutes, you have your lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And what we think could actually happen is price coming back to retest 139, 179.87. So remember, we still have our trend line here that price has to come and meet. So looking at this, on this, if you want to trade this, if you want to trade it, because it is very, it is confirmed that price would come down to retest the way it is going. It is actually selling, so price will come down to retest this region. So I would just end up drawing my trend line. Remember, I do the last two lower highs, so which is this and this. So I'll just wait for price to return here to join that sellers, to join the sellers that will now move price to this place. Get me? So I have my one touch, I have my second touch. My flip zone is around here, which is 139, 17987. And then I'll just be expecting price to come back to retest this and then go down to give me that third touch on the 1 hour time frame. Sorry, on the 4 hours time frame. So this is my analysis on V75. So if you're patient enough, you can just wait for price to return here and then look for confirmation. If it bounces off here, then price will likely come down to this place. So these are the way I analyze, and then this is a current picture of what V75 is all about. You can take advantage of it. I wish you all a fruitful market.